Good morning, everyone. Today we are heading out to West Hartford to check a basement. I'm doing this as a favor to a friend of mine. He is managing a gutter company and they are bidding on a basement remodeling project. So they need help with the floor plan. So basically I'm gonna head out there, take the measurements. I'm gonna get back to the office. Let's hit the road. Alright, so we are at the basement. This is a big old basement. It's so old. It's got so many wires and stuff. It's ridiculous. Everything basically, all the electrical stuff basically has to be redone. Staircase is nice, so the staircase can be made to look very nice in this basement. It has enough ceiling clearance. It sits nicely in the middle. It has a support column on one side, but it's like towards the middle of the staircase, so we can still use half of it and have banisters, half open concept staircase, maybe even extend the treads, things like that. So the staircase can be made nicely in this basement. Ceiling, man, the ceiling is so low relative to the size of the basement. I mean, the whole house, from what they said, has about 7,000 square feet. About 7,000 square feet. The basement is, by my calculation, I would say 2,500 square feet or so of what they're looking to finish. It's a big space, but the ceiling is only 7.6, which is decent by New England standards. On older houses, that's a decent size ceiling. Sometimes on basements like this that are wide open, big wide open basements with low ceilings, for the lack of better comparison, I would say it feels like you're under a bridge. You know, so it's like you have all this massive space, but the ceilings are so low, it feels heavy. But all that can be mitigated with nice lighting, some cool lighting designs, some nice LED cans that are bright and make them dimmable and stuff. There is a lot of work when it comes to plumbing and electrical. Alright, see you at the office. So I'm back at the office. I did most of the floor plan. I still have to redo a bunch of stuff. I gotta catch up on other floor plans and such. So I'll get back to work. It's 5 p.m. So better get back to work. Alright, thanks for watching. You have a good day. Bye.